In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Welcome to my channel, The Scholar's Outlook, where you'll find the most innovative and insightful analysis on a wide range of topics. Be sure to watch the video and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated. Today's topic is very important. Compassionate rewards, Islamic teachings on marrying a widow. Islam teaches that marrying a widow is an act of mercy, generosity, and righteousness. The Prophet promised great reward such as protection from hellfire and companionship with him in paradise. Prophet gave multiple general rewards for caring for widows, orphans, and vulnerable women. Marrying a widow is one of the highest forms of this care. The Quran praises men who support vulnerable women, including widows, in Surah Al Baqarah. وَيَسْأَلُونَكَ عَنِ الْيَتَامَى قُلْ إِصْلَاحٌ لَهُمْ خَيْرٌ. They ask you about the orphans. Say, improving their condition is best. Widows often have children. Caring for them is directly praised by Allah. Marrying a widow and supporting her family falls under Islam, which means to improve their condition, which Allah calls khair, goodness. The Prophet promised paradise for caring for widows. He is like a mujahid in the path of Allah. Sahih al-Bukhari 6006. As-sa'i al-armalate wal-miskine kal-mujahide fi sabilillahi awil qaimil layla saimin nahar. The one who strives to support a widow or a poor person is like the one who fights in the path of Allah, or like the one who prays all night and fasts all day. Caring for orphans, often children of widows, guarantees paradise. Sahih al-Bukhari 5304. أنا وكافل اليتيم في الجنة هكذا وأشار بالسبابة والأسطى. I and the one who cares for an orphan will be in paradise like this. And he joined his index and middle finger. Many widows have children. A man who marries a widow and raises her children becomes a kafilul yatim. The Prophet personally married widows, and all of his wives, apart from Aisha radiallahu anha, were women who had experienced either widowhood or divorce. This shows that marrying widow is sunnah. It is an act of compassion and social justice. It protects vulnerable women from exploitation. Thus, Islam corrected injustices faced by widow. The Quran affirmed a widow's right to remarry. Marrying a widow is not only an act of love, it is an act of worship, mercy, and sunnah. Islam elevates this act to one of the highest forms of righteousness. Allah promises the following rewards to those who marry a widow: paradise, closeness to the Prophet and protection from hellfire. Thanks for watching.